starting the process of getting materials ready for the Grid Journal workshop that is going to be July 26th. This is some of the included materials. There's an 8.5 by 8.5 journal, watercolor journal. There's this pen is a 0.28 and the Sharpie is a 0.5 millimeter. I've also including Elmer's glue stick and two templates to assist in making the grids for each page. That'll make it a lot easier than having to tape or measure each time. So the process has begun. Looking forward to doing this first class. This is one of the exercises that we may include in the Grid Journal workshop. And this is using acrylic paints, and we'll use an 8 by 8 sheet of mixed media paper. And the idea is simply to play, not thinking about, composition or what the final product will look like. And it's really to bring out that inner child in us where we just put paint to paper, and we can use a variety of mark making tools. We've got some crayons and colored pencils and stamps and stencils, some bubble wrap. And this is one that I did. And again, no thought, I'm just putting the paint down. I like the colors. I didn't really think much about it at all, but the idea is to play like a kid, create something, and then simply destroy it by cutting it up and using those pieces to create an arrangement that pleases us, that just we like the way it looks. So again, it's more about the play and a lot less about what will it look like when I'm finished. Another fun exercise is to take all of those yummy paint samples that you can get at the hardware store, and maybe you even have a collection if you do a lot of home improvement and painting in your home. I've gathered together some circle die cutters here, so you can cut out those kinds of shapes. Or you can, do squares or organic shapes. And this is a very simple exercise. Choose your colors and cut out your shapes, organic or not, and then assemble them. What I've chosen to do is work on complementary colors. So in the top left, you have red and green. And then there's the orange and blue, and the purple and yellow. And then the fourth one, I decided to do the black and white and gray. So this is it's a pretty straightforward, simple exercise. Another fun exercise is working with watercolors. And again, just mixing colors on the page. Seeing what combinations you like, letting the water and the paints flow. I also used a bit of sea salt to get a different kind of effect there. And then after that is all set to go, we're going to work with Zentangle patterns, botanical patterns, doodling. We'll be using some templates and also some stencils, and I'm just doing a 2-page spread here. Also neurographic drawing, which is a fun meditative kind of thing to do. So this is a combination, lots of choices you can make, see which ones you like best. So this should be fun. So for our final exercise, we're going to do a 2-page spread, and we're going to be using a magazine. I've chosen a National Geographic. They have some amazing photos in there. And we also have some pre-cut squares and pre-cut circle shapes. So on the left-hand side, what the parameters are is choose a background from the pre-cut squares or one of your own choosing, and then add to it a shape. Again, it can be the pre-cut circles or anything of your choice. And then find a word that may or may not have meaning to you and add that. So the parameters are pretty simple. A square for the background, some shape, whether it's pre-cut or organic, and a word. Now on the other side, on the right-hand side, go through that magazine again and just cut out those photos, those pieces of photos that that call to you, either from their shape, their subject matter, their color, and have some fun playing with the composition on those. And that will finish the 4 different exercises in the mini grid journal workshop.